Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart ZTE Blade A36. Alright, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a normal reboot using the power menu, and we also have the force restart function. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with simple reboot. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart, then tap again, and after that your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and ready to use. Performing a simple reboot from time to time is good for your device health, and sometimes it can improve its performance, because basically during the reboot our phone rests for a moment, the RAM gets freed up, and that is why it can help with the performance. And also, if you have some issues, for example with your apps that they don't want to launch, for example, you can try a reboot. Once I had a situation like that when I was using this device, and reboot helped me. When it comes to the second method, it's called the force restart, and to perform it we need to simply hold the power button for around 10 seconds. This method is recommended, for example, when our whole device is lagged or frozen, and in situations when basically we cannot do anything. So let's perform that. Simply hold the power button. Okay, and when the screen turns off, we can release our finger. You can see that the ZTE logo appeared on the screen, and now we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.